Good morning. Today we're going to be looking more at scientific practices, specifically conducting an experiment and then analyzing our data. So it means we're going to be looking at how to take observations and what those observations could mean so that we can actually make some useful information out of our results. So our big question today is going to be, now that we know how to set up our experiment, what do we do to conduct our experiment and learn from our results? We're going to be looking at a sixth grader named John and how he's going to use this scientific method and a really good science experiment to help solve a problem at home, something that might not really have anything to do with science when you first think about it. But as you read through or watch our sixth grader named John, you're going to find out how you can use this scientific experiment outside of the classroom. Before you do that, though, I want you to take a second and answer on the collaboration board on the next slide. You're going to tell me, what activities do scientists engage in to allow them to become scientists? So what is someone that is considered a scientist doing that makes them a scientist? I want you to go ahead and answer that on the next slide for our collaboration board. And while you're there, if you see people have already posted to it, take a second to read some of those responses. And if you see one that really sticks out to you, click on that little heart button to give it a like and let them know that you liked it. You can also add more than one post-it note if you'd like. So if you're reading those and you have another really good idea, go ahead and add to it. After that, you're going to watch a series of videos that all have questions about John and his experiment. We're going to start by reviewing what we did the last couple of days and then getting into what his data means. You'll also have an exit ticket at the end, which means at the end of this Nearpod, make sure you complete your Google form and click submit at the bottom. On Monday's exit ticket, at the end of Monday, I only have about 60, meaning I'm missing almost a third of sixth grade's exit tickets. So make sure you get in there and submit them. If you did not do Mondays, also make sure you go back and do that one. It should be a pretty quick one. And you can go ahead and get started.